Some furniture asks politely to be used. This chaise does not. The JEEOHEY Oversized Chaise Lounge arrives like an invitation to cancel plans, silence notifications, and stay exactly where you are. Big, plush, and unapologetically cozy, it feels less like a chair and more like a personal retreat disguised as furniture. Wrapped in thick faux fur with a soft striped texture, the surface immediately sets the tone. It looks indulgent without drifting into tacky, leaning more luxury lounge than novelty fluff. The fabric feels warm and skin-friendly, the kind that makes cold evenings disappear quickly. It's cozy without feeling flimsy, and while the texture has a slightly slippery quality, it doesn't detract from the overall comfort. Instead, it adds to that cloud-like impression the moment someone settles in. This chaise is oversized in a way that actually matters. With a generous width and deep lounging area, it allows stretching out diagonally, curling up with a book, or sharing the space without elbows fighting for territory. Adults can recline comfortably, kids can sprawl during movie nights, and pets seem magnetically drawn to it. Two adults fit surprisingly well for lounging, gaming, or watching a long series without shifting every 10 minutes. The comfort is balanced, not mushy. The internal structure combines spring support with high-density foam, creating a feel that's firm yet plush. There's no sinking into oblivion, no struggle to stand back up. It supports the body while still feeling indulgent, which makes it suitable for long stretches of sitting or lounging. This firmness surprises some at first, but it's the reason the chair holds its shape and comfort over time. Ergonomics are clearly part of the design. The backrest, paired with included pillows, offers solid lumbar and upper back support. The wide armrests, measuring about 9 inches, provide a relaxed place to rest arms without cutting circulation or forcing awkward angles. The included pillows are soft on the outside, though some find the filling a bit firm. Fortunately, the zippered covers make adjusting the fill simple, turning them into exactly what's needed with minimal effort. One of the most appealing features is the lack of assembly. The chaise arrives compressed, sealed tightly for shipping, and expands quickly once opened. Most of its shape returns almost immediately, with full fluffing happening within a day or two. There's something satisfying about watching it come to life, like it's waking up from a long nap. The package is heavy though, and moving it is easier with 2 people. Care is needed when opening the vacuum seal, but a provided opener helps avoid accidents. Durability feels reassuring. The chaise has a solid presence, capable of supporting up to 600 pounds without feeling strained. It doesn't wobble, creak, or feel temporary. It's not meant to replace a full sleeper sofa for overnight guests, but for lounging, napping, and everyday use, it holds up beautifully. The value here is hard to ignore. Compared to oversized lounge chairs that cost significantly more, this one delivers comfort, size, and quality without the inflated price tag. Add in responsive customer service that resolves issues quickly and follows through, and it becomes even easier to trust the brand behind it. This is the kind of chair that quietly becomes the most fought-over seat in the house. It doesn't demand attention with flashy design tricks. It simply waits, soft and steady, ready to hold whoever claims it first, and reluctant to give them back.